I've never been more excited for the internet to destroy someone's childhood. Steamboat Willie is free from our corporate overlords, and we need to give people nightmares. Disney is about to witness its baby have an edgy emo teen phase. According to 1909 copyright law, Mickey Mouse only had 56 years of protection. But if the character was created in the 1920s and Walt Disney died in 1966, then why was Disney able to hold onto the mouse for a whole century? Mickey was the identity of Disneyland. Steamboat Willie was the mascot of the brand. And Disney executives knew this. There's two great ways to get people's attention: public pressure and corruption. Disney was panicking that they might lose their main attraction, and so they acted accordingly. When Steamboat Willie was almost free from Disney, everything went wrong. To keep a rodent hostage, Disney put financial pressure on the government to pass the Copyright Act of 1976. But why was this such a big deal? Well, to properly understand that, we have to go back to 1790 when the first copyright law was established. Back then, you would only get 14 years of legal protection. As media evolved into the 1990s, copyright law changed to adapt with the times. But this is where Disney's struggle for power took a dark turn. They were able to convince actual legislators that intellectual property rights extended far beyond a person's death. They help shape the world we live in, where dead people can hold on to an idea for decades after they've passed away. Not only does this stifle innovation, the worst part is that Disney can go back to the same legislators with more money demanding more changes. So if Disney has been able to control our government and renew the copyright every few decades, then what changed? Why is the Steamboat Willie version of Mickey Mouse in the public domain? Why did Disney give up the fight to protect their child from the internet's insanity? Well, in short, Disney gave up. The newest iterations of Mickey Mouse reflected the image of the brand better. The imagery of Mickey Mouse with gloves appealed more to children. In addition, the cartoon style appeared more welcoming. The legal fight went on for so long that Disney decided to cut their losses. And now we see the horrors of the internet when they get access to a beloved childhood character. So what does the future of Mickey Mouse actually look like? Well, for starters, we have new movies and video games to look forward to. Mickey's Mousetrap is basically a Saw movie. And if you think that's bad, Infestation Origins promises to make Walt Disney turn in his grave. Mickey Mouse is a parasite now, and you have to exterminate him. This is such a ripoff of every sci-fi alien movie, but it doesn't matter. Free Mickey! There's also this black and white game called Mouse. This is just a generic first-person shooter. I'm picking up on a really violent theme, which I'm sure Disney loves. But if you've been paying attention, you knew this was gonna happen. 2023's Winnie the Pooh Blood and Honey is what happens when you let your favorite childhood character enter the public domain. It may only have 3 stars on IMDb, but they're just haters. They don't get it. They don't see the vision. So if we've seen what public domain art looks like, what future content can we be excited about? Well, there's gotta be some new Popeye projects coming. Dracula is up for grabs. Frankenstein, we're coming for you too. If you're a pirate lover, you can do whatever the hell you want with Blackbeard. King Kong, you got a few more years, and then you belong to us. I don't know if you know this, but Robin Hood is yours now. If you like archery but hate rich people, this is the movie for you. But if you feel patient enough to wait till 2037, several DC superheroes will be up for grabs. But while we wait, let's make the most of the opportunities we have in front of us. It only took 95 years for us to draw a cartoon mouse. Just to really put that in perspective, here are some things that were created after Mickey Mouse. Mickey is older than the first chocolate chip cookie. Mickey is older than frozen food. He's also technically older than bubblegum. This drawing is even older than the first canned beer. It's time to let him go. Give him back to the people. Check out this video to give me that dopamine, and as always, follow the madness.